Hello everyone, welcome to my channel India Gate. This is Nandi Sharma and this session is going to be very special for you because here I provide EKT previous year question paper for all branches, and in this session I just talking about the CSIT previous year EKT paper. And most important point for you that if your basic is clear with related your core subjects and some engineering subjects, so you can easily qualify the EKT exam, because in the EKT just test your basic knowledge with related your EKT background as well as your engineering background. So let's get starting. Here first question of the CSE students: if the center of the circle is -6, 8 and it passes through the origin, then equation of its tangent at the origin is. So correct answer is option B, that is 4y equal to 3x. Now here I am not going to explain all the question. I am just giving the answer, and your task is to, if you want to explanation, so please comment me. I try to give you solution. Now next question. The liquid is flowing separated through each of the two pipes whose diameter are in the ratio of 2:1. If the ratio of the velocities of the flow in the two pipes by 1:2, then the ratio of the amount of the liquid flow per second through the pipe will be. So correct answer is option A, that is 2:1. Now next question. If fx is equal to x plus mod x square minus 8, then derivative of fx at x equal to is. So it is very simple questions which is asked in the FCAT, and correct answer is option B, 7. Next question. Given P equal to 1 by 4, PB equal to 1 by 3 and P A union B equal to 1 by 2, value of P binomial B equal to. So here it is asked from the probability, and this question is also very easy because it is asked from the your Bayes theorem. So correct answer for this question is 1 by 4. Next question. The angle between the two vector A equal to I plus 2j minus k and B equal to 2I plus j plus k is. So correct answer is option C, that is 60 degree, and it is also very easy questions which is asked by the EKT exam. Now next question. Newton is the unit of the force. It is the unit of. So correct answer is option A, that is MKS system. Next question. A farad is defined as. So correct answer is option D, that is static column into volt. Next question. Remains of the magnetic circuit corresponding to the following quantities in the electrical circuit. So correct answer is option C, conductance. Next question. Hydrometer is the instrument of measuring. So correct answer is option D, that is specific gravity. Next question. Radioactivity is the property of. So correct answer is option A, that is atomic nuclei. Next question. If a plane is parallel to the plane of the projection is a pair. So correct answer is option A, that is true size. Next question. How is JK flip-flop made to toggle? So correct answer is option D, that is your J equal to 1, K equal to 1. Now come to the next question. Number of flip-flops used in decade counter. So correct answer is option C, that is 4. The decimal equivalent of the hexadecimal number E5 is. So it is very easy question which is related to your analog system. So correct answer is option B, that is 229. Next question. Which part of the computer is used for the calculating and comparing? So correct answer is Option C, ALU, that is Arithmetic Logic Unit. Next question. A CPU processor power is measured in. So correct answer is option C, that is MIPS. Next question. Which computer memory is volatile? So correct answer is option A, RAM. Next question. The computer code for the interchanging of the information between the terminal is. So correct answer is option A, that is ASCII, means ASCII, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next question. Which of the following is not a sequential storage device? So correct answer is option A, that is magnetic disk. Next question. The data recording area between the blank gap on the magnetic tape is called. So correct answer is option B, block. Next question. On a system flowchart, the online manual keeping of input data is identified by using the. So correct answer is option B, online keyboard system. Next question. An example of the hierarchical data structure is. So correct answer is option C, that is tree. Next question. Which of the following system software does the job of the merging the recording from two files into one? So correct answer is option B, that is utility program. Next question. Virtual memory. So correct answer for this question is option B. Virtual memory consists of those addresses that may be generated by a processor during the execution. Next question. Which is the permanent database in the general model of the compiler? So correct answer is option C, that is terminal table. Next question. Operating system functions may include. So option D is correct, means all of these. And system functions are input output control, virtual storage, multi-programming. So all of these are correct answer. Next question. Movement process from main memory to disk is called. So correct answer is option C, that is swapping. Next question. In which addressing mode is content of the register specified in the instruction are first decremented, and these content are used as the effective address of the operates. So correct answer is option D, that is the auto decrement. Next question. In order to allow only one process to enter its critical section, binary semaphore are initialized to. So correct answer is option B, that is 1. Next question. The outstanding invoice file should be shared on the Warden Access storage device if. So correct answer is option C, that is your inquiries concerning payable are to be answered online. Next question. In SQL, which command are used to enable or disable a database trigger? So correct answer is option A, that is alter trigger. Next question. The modify operation is likely to be done after. So correct answer is option B, lookup. Next question. Which of the following is not a logical database structure? So correct answer is option D, that is chain. Next question. Which of the following tool is not used to modeling in a new system? So correct answer is all of these. So options are decision table, data dictionary, data flow diagrams. All of these are not used to modeling in the new system. Next question. Difference between decision table and decision tree is R. So correct answer is option B, that is from our representation. Next question. The reservation system of the Indian Railway is an example of. So correct answer is option A, that is transaction processing system. Next question. The network layer in R refers to the OSI model provide. So correct answer is option C, the virtual circuit interface to the packet switch services. Next question. Which of the following is an important characteristics of LAN? So correct answer is option A, application independent interfaces. Next question. Which of the following TCP/IP protocol is used for transferring electronic mail messages from one machine to another? So correct answer is option C, SMTP, Simple Mode Transfer Protocol. Next question. The slowest transmission speed are those of. So correct answer is option A, that is twisted pair wire. Next question. How many digital of the network user address are known as the DNIC, Data Network Identification Code? So correct answer is option B, first 4. Next question. The most flexible in how devices are wired together is provided by. So correct answer is option B, that is ring network. Next question. In FM signal contains intelligence in. So correct answer is option A, its frequency. In a PCM system, so correct answer for this 44 question is option C, that is compacting is used to overcome quantizing noise. Next question. The all-day efficiency of transformer depend on. So correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. Means option A, it's copper loss, and option B, that is iron loss. Next question. Slip ring is induction motor are made of. So correct answer is option D, that is phosphorus bronze. Next question. One of the characteristics of a single phase motor is that is. So option B is correct, is not self-starting. Next question. If the input to the differentiating circuit is sawtooth wave, then the output will be dash wave. So correct answer is option B, that is rectangular. Next question. Which can act as a universal gate? So option B is correct answer, that is NAND gate. Next question and last question of this session, that is a 32-bit microprocessor has word length equal to. So correct answer is option C, 4 byte. Now, basis of these previous year EKT questions, you have got an idea about the level of the EKT. And I'm again going to be repeat. If your basic is clear with related engineering subjects, then EKT exam is also going to be clear. So, all the best to all FCAT aspirant. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.